So here's how to use Magic AI in Canva. If you want to get all the features of Canva Pro, click on my link down in the description. First of all, open up your web browser and go to the official website canva.com. Then, make sure you're logged into your account. Now click on the option Create a Design on the top right. Then, you'll get to see a menu of different options. Just scroll through and select the one you want. I'm going with Facebook Post. So after it loads up, go over to the section that says Photos from the left panel. After that, scroll through or search for the photo that you want to use. You can also upload your own picture if you want. So for this video, I will go with this leaf. So once you select your photo, click on it, and after that, all you need to do is click on Edit Image from the top panel. Now, you will get a list of options. From here, click on Magic Edit. After that, click on the section that says Click. Then, if you hover over your subject, it will highlight the entire object. So now, in the description box on the left, type in your edit description. I will write butterfly. After that, select your object and click on Generate. Now, just wait for the AI magic to take place. So once it's done processing, you will notice the butterfly added to your picture. You will also get to see additional options on the left side to choose from. But make sure to put in detailed prompts in order to get better results. Don't forget to click my link in the description if you want to get Canva Pro to access all the features of Canva. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video if this helps you out.